How to fix Pinterest glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest glitch on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps or applications and then click apps again, and here just type Pinterest, click on it and then click force stop, and now click storage and clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to clear data, but after that you will need to log in to all your accounts again, and but that will fix your problem. Just click clear data and click OK, and then restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And if that also doesn't fix it, now all you need to do just go to Play Store and update your Pinterest. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.